Are we recording? Oh, here we go. Hello, everyone. This is Mega President X. XD, I mean. But today we're gonna, let's see. We're gonna play some games. Well, I got one game, of course. So, I would say the Flabby one. That's the only game I got right now. But I think I tried playing record some Roblox. It probably, I don't know. I would for the next video, free gift. For the next video, we might go and do Roblox. Okay, this game called Flapping Online. If you don't know about this game is about Flappy Birds. And Flappy Birds was removed from Google Play Store. Now we got this game. In case if you want to play a Flappy Bird game, this is the right game you want to play. So, I'm going to play the pro server because I've been playing this game. And if you don't want Flappy Birds, then, well, how? I don't know. Everybody suck. I suck at this. You might probably see some ads, but I don't care. You're going to watch me play. Ooh, here I'm cool. No, screw you, Tim. Timmy, no. Yeah, brought you by the stupid adventure capitalist. No. This is my first time recording, alright? Okay. Get out of here. Okay, you little Sam Smith. Okay, so if you look in the top, there's the record bar. I mean, See this person? Flappy Twat. United Kingdom. Oh, okay. Then his high record is 41. You gotta be like the high record. But son, we gotta. Everybody can watch me right in my range. Come on. Hey, we'll see what plus I am. Oh god, look at everybody. They're much better than me. Look at me, everybody. I got the best ring ever. Let's go, boy. I'm the best. Okay, let's see. So, okay, let's see. Flappy Bird is always my favorite game. Not right now. I'm gonna beat this record. Come on. I wish I got Minecraft right now. I don't have Minecraft anymore. I don't got Minecraft. I need money. Donate some money to the pressing cat. Do it, people. If you don't want a good playthrough, then you gotta give me money to Minecraft. Look at me. You can't see me. Let's go, boy. Man, I was so close to the stupid offer. Look at my bird. You look like an idiot, but I like idiots. Not. I mean, hey, I have a lot of friends with idiots, though. Yeah. No, not at school. If you want my friends watching this, you think, oh, you like idiots? Then they probably think he's an idiot, that they're an idiot. So okay. Is it a duel? Where's my money? My money! Man, this scam. So donate some money to the Preston Cat, and if you donate, no Minecraft playthroughs. How about we go for 10 likes in this video? If we get 10 likes in this video, we do another Flappy Birds video. Yay. Probably not gonna 10 likes. Probably I don't know. Bruh. Okay, Neon Cow. Okay. Turn to Super Saiyan. That was my fake Super Saiyan, aka false Super Saiyan. Here's my real Super Saiyan. Yeah, look at me. You can't see me. That better be a duel. Okay, here's my Super Saiyan 2. Yeah, look at me. Super Saiyan 2 is OP. President for days. Crap. Okay, that was... Okay. It'd be cool, actually. I'll fall Super Saiyan 2. I'll fall Super Saiyan 2. That'd be cool. Now going Super Saiyan 3. That's a little warm up. That's Super Saiyan 2. That's Super Saiyan 2.5. Here's Super Saiyan 3. Hooah. Got him. Come on. Whee! Episode Dragon Ball Flappies. Goku died. You don't watch me sucks. Okay, let's make a bet. I'm going to make it to 15. Here you go. You guys subscribe to me. If I haven't yet, you guys subscribe to me if I made it to 15. Or over 15. Hey, President, how about us? I give you another video. 2 videos today, probably. No! No! Fine, make more videos. Wait, one more chance, please. One more chance. I suck at this game, you can tell. Follow me on Twitter. Wait a second, I got no Twitter. Yeah. I'm a Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Boo. Why am I talking about Dragon Ball Z when there's freaking birds? No, I don't like to play the Rolling Sky game. I actually would play it for the channel. Okay, guys, okay. After one more little round, After one more little round, I will finish this for the day. Shout out to Zill Plays 890. So subscribe over there. Come on, can't see me. Shout out to Zill Plays 890. She subscribed to her. She needs all that support and get all that money. Hey, if you say like, oh, she wanted to get money. Oh, she didn't try to get money. She just try to get all that subscribers. Okay, everybody, that's all. So join the Mega President Army. If you haven't subscribed or give a like, then you just do it. Just do it. And join. Okay.